In the name of Allah, the most loving and caring. Assalamu alaikum 8th class. Welcome to online class again. Hope you all will be fine. This is our lecture number 23rd of English. And the topics we shall discuss in this lecture are, first of all, we shall do chapter number 7, Clever Mirchu. We shall do glossary and exercise A. Then after that, we shall do letter to your mother about the test you have just taken. First of all, we shall do chapter number 7, Clever Mirchu, glossary. Now, here are the glossary words. Anxiety, pareshani, worry, on end, mutawatir, at a stretch, lonesome, weeran, lonely, before long, jald hi, early, wore on, guzarti gayi, fast, gradually, twilight, सुबह की रोशनी, half light before sunrise, sneak, चुपके से खिसक जाना, to go away quietly, trail, रास्ता या लकीर, the line, path. वैनिश, गायब हो जाना, डिसअपियर, सोप, सिस्कियां लेना, टू क्राई नॉइजीली, फीस्ट, दावत, अ स्प्लेंडेड मील, फैमिन, कहत, एक्सट्रीम शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड, हर्थ, चूल्हा, अ ब्रिक, नोडेड, सर हिलाना, टू मूव द हेड अप एंड डाउन एज टू इंडिकेट अग्रीमेंट, शडर, कपकपी तारी होना, टू शेक विथ फियर, डैट, कर्स, a sum of money owed to somebody. Now we shall do chapter number 7, Clever Mirchu, exercise A. And exercise A is answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, why were the woodcutter's children always hungry? And the answer will be, they were always hungry because they were growing very fast. Question number 2. Who gave the utmost anxiety to his parents? The answer will be, little Mirchu gave the utmost anxiety to his parents. Question number 3 is, why was the youngest son called Mirchu? The answer will be, he was called Mirchu because when he was born, he was only the size of a pepper. Question number 4 is, what did the mother wish when she was so full of sorrow? The answer will be, she wished that she had only 3 sons instead of 7. Question number 5 is, what did Mirchu fill his pockets with? The answer will be, he filled his pockets with small white stones. Question number 6 is, what did Mirchu's mother tell him in the morning? And the answer will be, she told him that they were all going in the forest to help their father to collect firewood. Question number 7 is, why did the boys forget their hunger? The answer will be, they forgot their hunger because they were very excited to go to the forest. Question number 8, why did the boys begin to weep bitterly? Answer number 8, the boys began to weep bitterly when they came to know that their father had left them in the forest. Question number 9. Why did they have a feast in the woodcutter's cottage? The answer will be, they had feast in the woodcutter's cottage because they had found 10 silver coins and the children returned home safely. Now we shall do letter to your mother about the test you have just taken. This is on page number 19 of your grammar book. Now we shall discuss letter. First of all, we shall discuss the method of the letter. On the very first line, we shall write examination hall. E will be capital of examination and H will be capital of hall. After hall, we shall write comma. Then on the next line, city. C will be capital of city. Then A capital dot, B capital dot, C capital dot. Then on the next line, we shall write date. 1st May. we have to write full spellings of the month, and first alphabet of the month will be capital May. Then after May we shall put comma, then 2021, and after 2021 we shall not put full stop according to new method. Then on the next line we shall write dear mother. D will be capital of dear and M will be capital of mother. After mother we shall put comma. I am sorry I did not write you earlier as I was busy preparing for my test of physics. It was held yesterday. My performance in the test is satisfactory. Performance here is a noun. It means how well a person, machine, etc. does a piece of work or an activity. And satisfactory here is an adjective. It means good or good enough for a particular need or purpose. I hope to get full marks in it. I attempted 11 questions. Attempted here is a verb. It means to make an effort to achieve or complete something. The answer to one question was wrong, but it was an extra question. I hope that you are satisfied with my explanation now. Satisfied means pleased because you have got what you wanted. Pay my regards to everyone at home. Regards here is a verb. It means have an opinion about someone or something. After that we shall write yours affectionately. Y will be capital of yours and A will be small of affectionately, and after affectionately we shall put comma. Then on the next line, X capital dot Y capital dot Z capital dot. At the end of the lecture, what will be your home task? You have to learn glossary, learn and write exercise A, and learn letter. I hope that you have understood all the topics we have discussed in this lecture. Now I am signing out. Thanks for your attention. Allah Hafiz.